Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to easily transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat wallet. If you want to do this, it's really easy. So as you can see here, this is my Sweat wallet. Right now I don't have any ballots, but of course if I just go and keep on using Sweatcoin here, I will get coins, right? Now here, let's go to our Sweatcoin here, and as you can see here, this is our daily steps, right? And I can just go and click on activate 2x speed, and it will start working on. Right now, how you can transfer it? So to be honest, there is a no way to transfer it because it happens automatically, right? You just need to link your Sweat wallet to your Sweat coin. That's it. And if you want to know how to do it, we have already made that how you can just link your account. It's really easy, but I will just give you short information here. You have to just go to your email, right? And you have to find this email, right? You can just copy this same subject line, Sweat wallet backup code. You have to copy this code here and go and click on login in your Sweat wallet, and once you click on it, as you can see here, it will just load and automatically you will be into your Sweat wallet, right? And this is how it's work, and automatically all the coins and balance come up here. Now then you can use it. So this is how you get transfer. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.